Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Benkei. Today, let's talk about how to manage functions, especially for large software products. You may have hundreds or thousands of functions. So, how to manage the function is going to be very important. So, today I will cover three aspects, like how to import a module and how to import all the functions in the module, and how to import a specific function, how to rename function, how to rename a module. So module here is a collection of functions. Let me give you an example. Here I give a manual called t.py. This module defines functions for the tea, the drinkable tea. So I have two functions here. One is called make tea. I pass arguments like the tea size and the tea types, and then I print them out. Another one is the tea charge, the price. So you can add many functions as you need. So let's use this example to show you how do we do the import, how do we do the manage of the functions. Okay, number one. Import module. So I can just do import a module called t. Then I can call my function called start with t dot make t. Say size is 12. Say I have ginger tea. I have lemon tea. Right. So then I have another function says t charge. Say 2. So let's run the function here. Okay, what I got is I'm making tea ginger. The size of tea is 12 ounce. I'm making tea a lemon. The size of tea is 12 ounce. Your tea charge is $2, right? Okay, that's number one. Let's go number 2. Import all functions. Import all function is from t. T is a module name. So I import the star. The star means all the functions. If so, I just use the function here like this way, without using the reference t module name. So let me write. I got the same result, right? So that's number 2. Number 3, import a specific function from module. Say from my module, which is called t, I want to import make t. I just want to use make t. For example, let me comment this 2 line here. Say make tea size 5 and ginger and apple, say. Then let's run it. Alright, so sometimes you may have like thousands of functions, but you only need like 10 or 20 of them. You can use this way. Say I want to import another function called charge. So just say charge, say 5. Right? Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, rename function using as. Rename function. So I can do it like this way. Import t as, say waiter. Say my tea. Then I can call a function use a new name because I renamed the function name from make t to my t, so I just call my t. Then I can run. I can see that it's printed on here correctly, right? So the same thing if I import t charge as charge. So say charge 5. Okay, t charge is $5. Okay. So next thing, number 5. Rename. That was number 4 actually. So number 5. Rename module use as. Okay. Import t as say Starbucks. I can just call Starbucks dot make t say 5, say lemon. Let me comment here. Right. Okay. Okay, make tea. I'm making tea lemon. The size of tea is 12 ounces. Right. So then I call another function called Starbucks dot t charge is 1. So let's run it again. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's all I have for how to manage functions in Python. Hopefully I can see you in my next video. Thank you.